Across East Africa, a new chapter is unfolding, one that is reshaping the region's economic landscape and inspiring millions. For years, Ethiopia's rapid growth dominated headlines, capturing the world's attention with its impressive statistics. But today, the spotlight is shifting. Kenya is now projected to become the region's largest economy, a development that signals a major transformation in East Africa's balance of power. This is more than a statistic. It's a testament to the resilience, creativity, and ambition of the Kenyan people, who have worked tirelessly to build a brighter future for themselves and their country. According to the IMF, Kenya's GDP will hit $132 billion this year, surpassing Ethiopia for the first time in history. This achievement is the result of years of steady growth, careful planning, and bold economic reforms. This marks a turning point, reflecting years of strategic investment, innovation, and a willingness to embrace new industries, from technology to infrastructure. From Nairobi's bustling financial district to the lush tea farms of the highlands, every sector, finance, agriculture, tourism, and technology, has played a vital role in this achievement. It's not just about numbers. It's about new opportunities, improved livelihoods, and a brighter future for Kenyans of all ages. More jobs, better schools, and greater hope are now within reach. With this new status comes greater responsibility and global attention. Kenya's voice is growing stronger on the international stage, and its decisions will have far-reaching consequences. The world will be watching Kenya's policies, leadership, and stability more closely than ever before, eager to see how the nation navigates its new role. How did we get here? What makes our economy tick? And what challenges remain on the horizon as Kenya steps into the spotlight? This is a story of ambition, resilience, and the undeniable spirit of Kenya, a nation determined to rise no matter the odds. Let's dive into how Kenya made this historic leap and what it means for the future of East Africa. The journey is just beginning, and the world is watching as Kenya steps confidently into its new era. Kenya's rise is a tale of two economies taking very different paths, shaped by history, leadership, and the choices made in times of crisis. While Ethiopia once posted impressive double-digit growth, recent years brought internal conflict, political instability, and economic shocks that derailed its momentum. The unrest led to business closures and uncertainty, making it difficult for the country to sustain its earlier gains. Kenya, meanwhile, built a stable, diversified foundation, our greatest asset. By investing in agriculture, technology, and financial services, Kenya created a more balanced economy that could weather global storms. A key turning point was currency performance. Ethiopia's birr devalued by over 55% in 2024, shrinking its economy in dollar terms and eroding public trust in financial institutions. In contrast, the Kenyan shilling surged, becoming the world's best-performing currency and boosting our global standing. This strength attracted international investors and made imports more affordable for Kenyan businesses. Investor confidence followed. Kenya's successful $1.5 billion bond sale in 2025 signaled strong faith in our future, opening doors for more investment and economic partnerships. Ethiopia, focused on debt restructuring, sent signals of recovery rather than growth. The country's efforts were aimed at stabilizing rather than expanding, slowing its progress. Kenya's market-driven approach, though less flashy, has proven more durable. Entrepreneurs, small businesses, and innovators have thrived in this environment, driving steady progress. Years of steady, broad-based growth have paid off, lifting millions out of poverty and creating new opportunities for the next generation. This shift isn't overnight. It's the result of resilience, smart policy, and adaptability. Kenya's leaders and citizens have worked together to build a future that is both inclusive and forward-looking. Stability and diversity are the true keys to long-term leadership. Kenya's moment has arrived, and the world is taking notice of its remarkable transformation. Ethiopia was once Africa's economic darling, but rapid growth came at a cost. Internal conflict, especially the Tigray War, drained resources and scared off investors. Currency devaluation and soaring inflation have made life harder for millions, shifting the focus from growth to recovery. As Ethiopia struggles to regain momentum, Kenya's stability has allowed it to surge ahead. Kenya's strength lies in its remarkable economic diversity, which has become the backbone of our nation's resilience and progress. Our financial sector, cutting-edge tech innovation, thriving agriculture, and vibrant tourism industry all work together to drive sustainable growth and create opportunities for millions. Nairobi stands as East Africa's financial and diplomatic hub, attracting global investors, hosting multinational headquarters, and serving as the home of the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Kenya pioneered mobile money with M-Pesa, revolutionizing how people transact. Our Silicon Savannah is now a magnet for tech startups, nurturing a new generation of entrepreneurs and digital solutions. Technology boosts efficiency and productivity across all sectors, from precision farming and agritech to smart tourism and digital banking, ensuring we stay ahead in a fast-changing world. Agriculture remains vital to our economy. Kenya is a leading exporter of tea, coffee, and flowers, supporting rural livelihoods and earning valuable foreign exchange. Tourism, from the world-famous Masai Mara to our pristine beaches, brings in millions of visitors each year, supporting local communities and showcasing our rich, natural, and cultural heritage. This unique blend of tradition and innovation gives Kenya a competitive edge, fostering creativity and unity across generations. Our economy is built to weather storms, adapt to challenges, and seize new opportunities, thanks to the determination and ingenuity of our people. This is the foundation of Kenya's rise, a diversified powerhouse, ready for the future. Kenya's global partnerships are key to its success. We've secured major investments from Japan, Europe, China, and the UAE, funding everything from green energy to infrastructure. These relationships aren't just about aid, they're about trade, investment, and shared expertise. Japan's recent investments in energy and transport signal global confidence in Kenya. Our ties with China built the standard gauge railway, while Europe supports our green transition. Engagement with the IMF and World Bank ensures disciplined economic management. By balancing global relationships, Kenya remains flexible and resilient. International partnerships anchor our growth and stability. Kenya's rise shapes the entire East African region. As the region's anchor, we're the main gateway for trade and investment. Uganda's oil boom is promising, but Kenya's economic diversity keeps us ahead. Our stability attracts international companies seeking a reliable base. The Port of Mombasa and Jomo Kenyatta International Airport are vital arteries for regional trade. Kenya's leadership is about more than GDP. It's about providing infrastructure and stability for all. As neighbors grow, their success fuels ours, reinforcing our central role. We're the hub for finance, tech, logistics, and diplomacy. The region's prosperity is intertwined with Kenya's. Our leadership looks secure for the foreseeable future. Becoming East Africa's largest economy is a proud achievement, but staying on top is the real challenge. High public debt and social pressures remain risks. Recent tax hikes sparked unrest, reminding us that economic policy must have public support. Global headwinds, like slower growth and trade tensions, could impact exports. The strong shilling boosts confidence, but can hurt export competitiveness. Kenya's future depends on wise leadership, fiscal discipline, and inclusive growth. We must keep attracting investment and ensure prosperity is shared by all. Kenya has the ingredients for lasting success: diversity, innovation, and resilience. The world is watching to see what we'll do next. Will we build a legacy of prosperity? The answer is in our hands.